Two tools every car guy needs, man. I got y'all right here. I'm gonna let y'all know what they are. We're gonna test them out. Amazon, less than $20 or $20. Amazon, about $20. Got y'all, man. Finna get into it. Y'all stay tuned. Before we get into it, God is everything. Without God, I'm nothing. Now that we got that out of the way, let's get into this video. All right, man. So the first tool we're gonna be using is a battery tester, and it'll test your starter, and it'll test like your charging system all together. Does not have batteries. It runs off the power of your battery, so if your battery don't have anything in it, this won't be able to test it. So this battery is from 2018, so it's getting on this last leg now. So I'm gonna show y'all the results. I've already tested this battery, so I already know the results of it. So, but as soon as I touch the battery, as soon as I get it some power, it comes on. If I can find a good spot to get some power. Alright, so as soon as I hook that up, as y'all can see, put y'all this way, as you can see, I now have 12.63 volts in this battery, and you got check, review, setup, about. So what I want to do is check, and then you got in vehicle and out of vehicle. So I can't remember, man. I just got this thing. I think it's out of vehicle. This is a regular flooded battery. You can also test AGM flat plate. I know I got a glare on this thing, man. AGM spiral, GEL batteries, and EFB batteries. I don't even know what none of those batteries are. But we got a regular flooded, so we're gonna do that. Cold cranking amps is what I'm gonna test. And yes, my car 750, so hit enter, and it goes testing, and then it gives you these results. Try to get this thing to focus in on this thing. Okay, all right, there we go. Basically, it says replace. The state of health SOH is 68%. State of something, SOC, that may be state of current or something, 100%. I'm not sure what this R is, but it's 5.71. Cold cranking amps are 511. And it's 12.61 volts, so it says replace. So that's that part of it, and we're gonna check the starter. So alright, so once you finish whatever test that was the battery test for me, you just hit exit and you go back to check, out of vehicle. They got to go in the vehicle for this. Alright, now when you go to in vehicle, you get a few more choices. See if I can get y'all a better shot of this. Let me see. There we go. Battery test, cranking test, charging test. Alright, so we just did a battery test. We know the battery need to be replaced. We're gonna go down and hit cranking test, enter. It says please turn off engine before pressing enter, and to enter the test, enter, and then it says start the engine. So I'm gonna start the engine. Y'all hold tight. All right, we in the daily driver. Alright, we started it. Let's head back around. And it says that cranking is normal. Max time 11.24 volts. Minimum is 8.8 volts. I don't know what that time thing is, but 3.323 milliseconds. So that's normal, and now we're gonna check the starter. So y'all stay tuned. Spin the block, back to the same thing, right? Now my bad, that was the cranking test. Now the charging test. Alright, we hit enter, and you get some little ripples up there. Let me show y'all that. Alright, it says increase the RPM to 2500 for 10 seconds and then press enter to continue. Alright, so we're headed in the car. We're going to increase the RPM for 10 seconds. 10 seconds. 2500. It's a little above 2500, but it's hard to keep it in the same spot. I don't know how long that was, but I'm assuming that was 10 seconds. We're gonna head back out and we're gonna hit enter. And I'm gonna let y'all see what's going on. Testing, charging high. Well, alright, so it is charging, so alright, man, that's it. We're gonna go check the battery's charger and that'll be it. Alright, man, next up we got a Next Peak battery charger, intelligent battery charger, and it's supposed to be able to repair a battery. So we finna see, because this battery done went bad 2020, so that battery's about 3 years old, and it's bad. Tried charging it, but we gonna see if this bad boy can repair it. So let me just sit this up here. We're gonna put the positive side on, and we're gonna throw the negative side on. So this is saying that the battery is full, but I can't get the car to start. So okay, but it is charging it. It is now charging it, I guess. If y'all can see that. So we're gonna let that run, I guess. While it does what it does. I don't know if I need to go down here to, you got your different settings. You got car, truck, you got see if I can zoom y'all in so we can read this, so y'all can read it. What's on that bad boy? And it won't let me. Alright, but the second setting on here, the second setting on there says AGM. The third one says motorcycle, and the fourth one says pulse repair. And all you do is just hit mode to swap. Like if I want to swap to a AGM gel battery or a motorcycle battery, or if I want to go to a pulse repair, like a recovery. So we're gonna try the regular charge first. I'm gonna let that run for a couple hours, and we'll see if it actually, fix the battery. If it doesn't, I'll let y'all know. But if it does, I know the battery probably bad. I know some batteries just can't be repaired, but we're gonna try it and see, man. Alright, man, so I will be checking back in. I will be checking back in on that battery charger to see if it can repair that battery, or if it does or what. We may have to go to the repair setting and see if that can fix it. Otherwise, man, I may just check in on another vehicle, which not another vehicle, another video, to see, or it may end up in this one. But either way, I definitely approve of the battery tester. I approve of that. It works good. So I'm gonna link it down, and if this, which I still hate to say, because I know some batteries can't be repaired, but so far I do like it. So I'll link it down in the description. It got a lot of good reviews on Amazon. The battery tester got a lot of good reviews on Amazon too. So I'm gonna link them both down below for y'all. Just go down there and get them. And if y'all buy any of this stuff I have in the description, I do earn a little bit of a commission. So just go ahead in advance, tell y'all appreciate it. Thanks for all the support. Thanks for all the support on all my social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. I appreciate it, man. So, y'all like the video, subscribe, share it with somebody. PullsTv, gone.